Good day everybody and welcome back to my channel. I recently got a few products from Makartt to try out and I thought I would show you guys and let you guys know what I thought about them. So the first thing I got were these nail tips, but I ended up trying them later and I will let you know what I thought in a second. So I also got a poly gel. I do really like Makartt's poly gel. This one is like a shimmery light, very light pink slash like cream color. I will have swatches of all of these coming up so you guys can see what they look like. And I got 4 nail polishes. This one is like a transparent iridescent nail polish. So the one thing that I really like about Makartt's poly gels is that they're very thick and they don't spread around. Although this one was thicker than a lot of other ones I've gotten, so it was actually kind of like hard to move a little bit. And these are all with one coat. They're really pretty with one coat, but I end up doing 2 for all of them except for the poly gel, so I think they look like perfect with 2 coats. So for the nail design, I have on the nail tips that I got. So these nail tips or really thin, and they don't have like a ridge or anything. They're very smooth, so I did file them a little bit, but so far I really like them. I am using the poly gel that I got, and I am going to cover it though, but I do like it as a base for this, and I do like the color on its own as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and file and shape them, and we can move to the design. I'm just going to use the purple and apply 2 coats of that to all of my nails. And then I'm also going to go in with this iridescent polish and put a layer of that on. I applied that mainly to the tip of my nails and then kind of like feathered it back, although I don't think it really shows up that well on these shimmery polishes. But I just want to try it and see what it would look like. And then I have these little iridescent flakes, and I'm going to put those on some of my nails. And then I'm just going to get out some decorations and rhinestones and stuff and add some decoration to my nails. So that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of this nail design, and I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye.